Meikaiwang Carpentry Machinery Co. Ltd. is one professional woodworking machine supplied in Shijiazhuang, Hebei, China. Our factory is located in Hebei province, close to Peking and Tianjin port. We produce the vacuum membrane press machine, sliding table saw, edge bonding machine, and so on. All these machines are used in woodworking industries, such as furniture manufacturer and door manufacturer. Our machines have multi-language capability, automatic control system, multi-mode operation, remote service control, and full tracking service. Most importantly, we can make special customization according to your different production needs. We also can customize your own logo. Meikaiwang Carpentry Machinery has 8 invention patents, which are the core technology of woodworking machinery. We have professional engineer support, different high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to the world widely, which including Europe, Africa, South America, and so on. After more than 10 years of development, Meikaiwang has been the professional manufacturers in providing comprehensive solutions for the whole live woodworking field. We have a professional and independent research team. The quality control starts from preparing materials to stoving varnish until a sample. Strict control of each process to ensure the final quality. What's more, Meikaiwang can realize the remote control for machine's running situation, which can help customers to use the machine correctly and clear their troubles. We are looking forward to your cooperation.